Yo, what's up guys, how you doing? So I was just about to go to bed. It's currently 6:43 AM. And just about an hour ago a new update came up with the Revolver case and the new R8 Revolver. The market has had some major differences, as well as there being a case. They've added a trade up for the P2000 Amber Fade. So as you can see, they've added the R8 Revolver Amber Fade. So I thought I'd do a cheeky little trade up for you guys before I go to bed. Hopefully we can get one of these. See how it goes. Should we put in the fades first? Or we'll put in the fades first, go for it. So we're going for a factory new. That's what we're going for. Now, if you guys haven't seen yet, the price of these on the market has gone up incredibly. Holy shit, why did that zoom in so much? Okay. Okay, let's just go for it, boys. Let's just go for it. Keep it P2Ks. Okay.
Driving on till the break of dawn, I refuse to fall. Driving on till the break of dawn, I refuse to fall.
Here we go, lads. Come on. R8 Revolver, Amber Fade, factory new. Let's go. Oh, please. Please be factory new. Please. Oh, nice. Nice. Let me have a look. Show me love. How much is it? How much is it? Oh, it's like 50 bucks. 50 bucks. Let's go, boys. Let's fucking go. Easy peasy, easy skins, easy life. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Hit me up with a like and a comment. I'd appreciate it, boys. Until next time, stay blessed, well dressed and no stressed.